Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make ebi no age gyoza. It's shrimp gyoza. Gyoza is usually pan-fried in Japan, but today I'm going to deep fry them to create the crunchy texture. It's meat-free, so it's perfect for pescatarian. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this ebi no age gyoza, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 200 grams of shrimp, 2 hanpen fish cakes, 32 gyoza wrappers, 100 grams of edamame, 2 tablespoons each of potato starch or cornstarch and sake, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, and some salt and pepper. Hanpen fish cakes first. Squeeze it well in the back to make it like a paste. The texture of the hanpen fish cake is like marshmallow, but it's less bouncy. Then into the bowl. Same for the other one. It's looking like this. Let's make the shrimp, but try not to make it too small. You want to enjoy the bouncy texture. It's minced, but still chunky. Let's put it in the bowl. All the other ingredients also into the bowl. Edamame, potato starch, sake, garlic paste, and about a teaspoon of salt and pepper. And just knead it well until everything is well mixed. Like this. I'm making 32 gyoza, so let's divide this roughly into 4, and one section makes 8 gyoza. Flatten it and roughly into 4. Time to wrap. Prepare bowl of water. It's just random amount of cold water. One section of the filling makes 8 gyoza. So let's take out 8 gyoza wrappers for now. Wrapper on your non-dominant hand. Put some filling in the middle. Wet the edge. Fold it into half, but don't seal it here. It's open like a taco. And using this rim, you're using 5 pleats, and you're keeping this one flat. So pinch, tuck, press, pinch, tuck, press, pinch, tuck, press, pinch, tuck, press, pinch, tuck, press. Seal it tight. So it's flat on this side, but you have 5 pleats on the other side. The pleats don't have to be 5. You can make it 4 or 6. Let me show you one more time. Wrapper on your non-dominant hand. Some filling in the middle. Wet the edge. Fold it. Pinch, tuck, press. Pinch, tuck, press. Pinch, tuck, press. Pinch, tuck, press. Pinch, tuck, and press. Seal it tight. Now, I'm going to show you my view. So wrapper on non-dominant hand. Filling in the middle. Wet the edge. Fold it. Pinch, tuck, press. Pinch, tuck, press. Pinch, tuck, press. Pinch, tuck, press. Pinch, tuck, and press. Seal it tight. 5 pleats on this side, but this side it's flat here. I made 8, and I finish up 1/4 of the filling. Just keep going until you finish all the filling, 8 at a time. By doing this, you don't have any leftover gyoza filling. Made 32, and the filling is all gone. Okay, it's time to fry. I'm heating up some vegetable oil about 1 inch from the bottom of the frying pan over medium to medium-high heat. Let's check the temperature by putting down chopsticks. If you see small bubbles coming up like this, the oil is ready. Gently put the gyoza. And just fry them for 3 to 4 minutes until it's golden brown. Looks good. So let's take them out. All fried, and it's done. Time for the tasting. You can have it with any sauce you like, but this is my favorite. It's a mixture of sweet chili sauce and minced coriander. Let's put generous amount of the sauce and いただきます。It's so crunchy on the outside and very fluffy inside. So good. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Ebi no age gyoza is the main, so it goes here. Plain rice here and spinach miso soup here. The main is deep fried, so let's have something light for the side dishes. How about daikon salad for one of them, and some sort of pickles, either store-bought or homemade for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!